Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 730. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Have you encountered the frustrating issue of your Lenovo Yoga 730 not turning on? This could be due to a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power adapter, or even internal hardware issues. If this problem is left unresolved, it can lead to further damage or data loss, so it's essential to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a set of small screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery, and possibly a multimeter to check the power output. First, ensure your device is completely powered off. Lay the laptop on a flat surface and carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. Once open, inspect the battery connections. The most common culprit is a faulty battery. You will see the battery located towards the center of the device. To replace it, carefully disconnect the battery cable by pulling it upwards, ensuring you do not tug on any nearby components. Next, locate the screws securing the battery in place. These are typically small Phillips screws, so use the appropriate screwdriver. Remove these screws, placing them somewhere safe, and gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If you're replacing the battery, take your new one and align it correctly before securely fastening it with the screws. Reconnect the battery cable by pressing it down into its connector, ensuring a snug fit. Be cautious to avoid touching any nearby circuitry during this process, as this can cause unintentional damage. Once everything is reassembled, replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured. Now it's time to test your device. Plug it in and press the power button. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider regularly checking your device's battery health and ensuring your power adapter is functioning correctly. Avoid leaving your laptop plugged in constantly, as this can affect battery longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.